this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these clip points with lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and on the other side you have this button to activate your tailgate lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And underneath this rugged cargo floor you have your full-size spare with some extra little compartments around there. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, radio station, fuel economy, and then you can go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have a Bluetooth phone you have Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your hazards, auto start stop shut off, your media controls, a little tray here, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, as well as a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very easy to use, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside with another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.